Guys, a little bit of an update for you guys for the 1986 Crown Vic two-door. Part of this update is because I updated the climate controls over winter when I had to do the heater core, and this is a setup out of a 98-02 Crown Victoria or Grand Marquis. 03 and up is about the same, I think, with different communication, CAN bus, whatever. But so I did this. It was kind of like an idea of mine, but the heater core just kind of gave me the push to go and do it. Since the dash had to come out anyway, I modified the HVAC plenum to operate with a blender actuator for this style control. Can't really see anything in there, but it is there and it does work. Amongst that, we put a rear defroster switch from, again, like a 2000 and up Crown Victoria or Grand Marquis. That paired with a switch, rear defroster switch for a 1992 Grand Marquis. So basically what this switch is just the input signal to the switch, which is just mounted behind the dash, because I didn't really have a place to put a long rectangular piece that they would normally have. And I lost the original switch when I did this update. So this just completes the circuit for the switch to come on. So we have an input push on. It's illuminated. Right now it's illuminated red because I was planning on doing all red output illumination. However, as I found out with this, I could change this, but not these. It's not a filter. It's actually built into the buttons. So my choice was either the green that the 98 to 2011 came with, or the blue that came in the 95 to 97 setup. So I like the blue more than I did the green, so all the instrumentation is blue. I just have to swap out that LED here. As you can see, it's red right now. Just swap that to a blue one, and then everything will be okay in that regard. So, start her up. Oh, hello, you don't want to... Alright, so what we got here, fully adjustable fan speed. As you can see, it is on max air right now. It has the outside temperature sensor, which I can turn off. It's set as low as it can, but I can put it at whatever, anywhere between here, which is full cold, 65, and it goes up each time up to 85, and then it's full heat. So we like to keep it cold right now, because although it's not very hot out today, it has been hot out for a bit. But you got your different temperature settings and your mode settings. AC turns off the recirculation door, vent turns off the AC, floor, see the air to the floor. You can see the cardboard box moving now. Floor defrost. And lastly, defrost. Automatic puts it on full automatic mode, and depending on what the temperature you are set at and the temperature outside will determine where the air is going to come out of. Right now it's going to come out of the vent. So let's move on to a few other things that I did. First thing I'll show off is the sequential front turn signals. I'm not sure that I covered this in the last video, but see, I modified the housings to run 3 1157 type bulbs. They're LEDs, and they flash sequentially. Cover a couple of the things under hood. Mind the wiring mess in the top corner by the firewall on the driver's side. This is all in preparation for the OBD2 swap, which should happen soon. But all this wiring is for things that are either going to be tied into the original car's harness or that are going to tie into the harness that will be added for the OBD2. Right now, see how everything is. My remote mount TFI. And this little gem right here is what I came up with to add a high pressure cutout switch for the AC. This will be mostly for fan control. And you can see this is for the wiring harness I took out of the 99 or 2000 gram RP, along with the fuse box, which is wired up. That's the sun load sensor for the EATC setup. Looks like it was always there. Give you a full shot of it. There's Vicky in the background. I've been neglecting her for a bit, but just got the title and the registration and everything sorted out. The car was in my dad's name, and he passed away last September, so just got that all taken care of. So clean it out, clean it up, maybe start messing around with this again. I have a couple fenders for it. Get rid of some of that rust that's on there, and then yeah, it's pretty much what I got going on. So that's all I have for you guys now. You take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.